Going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol LXRP, currently traded at 42 cents. The last time that we took a look at this stock was going to be on the 8th right here on that red line. I said 41, watch for a bounce from here to pull back into the lower Bollinger Band. Trend is broken. We'll need to get to 47.91 to hold trend. Resistance at 4477 and 47.91. Support at 40. Must hold. So, yeah, that was going to be moved up there. It actually came down here and tapped it, but it didn't close below it from what I'm seeing. So anyways, so like I said, you guys, when you're watching these lower Bollinger Bands, again, people will probably, well, what do you mean by that? How were you able to see that pulling back into there? This is all stuff, like I said, that I need to go over and break down to you guys in separate videos. But look, right here's when I said, hey, look, watch for it to pull back in that lower Bollinger Band. And then where's that lower Bollinger Band right there? Boom, it's right back into there. From there, it's got that spinning top where it doesn't know which way it wants to go. I mean, you got 3 doji candles right in a row. 1, 2, and 3. Still indecisive. It doesn't know which way it wants to go. I mean, that is a straight up truth. I mean, it just doesn't know. You got a gap right now between the 41 and 42. I would hold on it and continue to watch it. The trend line was broken. Is it turning around? Is it reforming? It's a possibility. It definitely is a possibility. The trend line that I had here could be stretching out to here and reforming it, but we'll go ahead and continue to watch it. It really comes down to that buying pressure.
All right, so I'm guessing that this is the one that he's talking about. They had a press release on March 10th, and it was Lexaria Bioscience Bioscience Corp. The company announces it has received $82,832.91 from the exercise of stock options and warrants previously granted. The stock options were exercised at a price of 0.2273, and the warrants were exercised at prices of 0.14 to 0.22. So that's 14 cents to 22.73 cents for a total of 465,000 common shares being issued. All warrants and options are being exercised by third parties who are neither officers nor directors of the company. Following issuance of these common shares, Lexaria will have 56,758,479 common shares issued and outstanding. No commissions or placement fees have been paid related to the funds received from this option and warrant exercise. Proceeds will be used for general corporate purposes. So I'm guessing that it was at that you didn't understand. Like they basically sold shares. So at the end, when it says that they're at the end where it's right there, the 56,758,000, no, 56 million, yeah, 758,479 common shares. So that right there is basically saying the outstanding. So that refers to the company's stock currently held by all its shareholders, including share blocks held by institutional investors and restricted shares owned by companies, officers, and insiders. And so outstanding shares are shown on a company's balance sheet under the heading capital stock. So it's more or less just like reading the fine print. So these guys, they it's almost like they did a kind of a capital raise in a sense by selling this much right here, $82,832.91. So that's money that came into the company, and it's obviously they're stating that it's going to be used for general corporate purposes. So in regards to this company, Lexaria Bioscience Corp is a food bioscience company with a proprietary technology for improved delivery of bioactive compounds. The company's lipophilic enhanced technology has been shown to enhance the bioavailability of orally ingested cannabinoids while also improving taste. The technology promotes healthy ingestion methods, lower overall dosing, and higher effectiveness in active molecule delivery. The company's technology is patent protected for cannabinoid CBD and all other non-psychoactive cannabinoids and patent pending for tetrahydrocannabinol THC, other psychoactive cannabinoids, non-steroidal, I don't even know, steroidal, anti-inflammatory drugs, nicotine, and other molecules. So I mean, these guys obviously have that patent on these things. So this is obviously something to look into more. So if you're looking to do more due diligence on this company, you'd obviously want to keep going through, reading more on their filings, going to, all their recent news, see what's going on with them. Because I mean, this one right here, they're looking for the patents now over in Australia and everything else. So I remember going over this one not that long ago, and I thought it was funny because it's basically saying that Lexaria Bioscience Corp is looking to get all the patents on everything that's basically, in regards to, THC and everything else. So if you're looking to do more due diligence on the company, just go over to the LXRB board on Investors Hangout. From there, you can see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion or you're looking for an opinion, feel free to share it over on the LXRP board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right, there we go for the chart. 42, watch for buying to return. If it does, resistance at 44.599 and 51, support at 40 cents and 38.05. Again, so if you're watching this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. Stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. If you have another hot stock you'd like to see us take a look at, head over to investorshangout.com/live.